Hi friends, welcome back to your channel. In this channel, we try to solve the previous year's physics question papers of Neet undergraduate exam. This is also helpful for JEE mains. We try to solve these questions in a very student-friendly manner so that you can grasp the concepts and apply them. If you like the content, we urge you to like the videos. This motivates us to create more content for you and help you in your exam preparation. We also urge you to subscribe to the channel so that you are immediately informed of any content added to the channel. If you have doubts, then please feel free to add in the comment section. We will revert to you at the earliest possible. So without much ado, let's get to the video session now. So this session is about the question. So this is the second set of rotational motion questions. We have already published the first set of rotational motion questions. There are 12 questions in that. In this, we are again publishing 10 questions from which have appeared in the previous year's NEET. We will be publishing more questions for rotational motion because this is a very important topic. We will urge you to try to solve these questions, and we will be coming up with the solutions to these questions very soon. Okay. So please go ahead and solve these because these are very important problems from NEET perspective. Okay. So this is a key to the problems. Okay. And so thank you for visiting the channel. Do drop in your comments in case of any clarifications. We will come up with the solutions soon. Thank you.